welcome. Hi, I'm Jess from the Gold Coast Art School, and we are moving our Gold Coast Art School. This is it. This is moving day. We have been preparing for this for a number of weeks, and now it is happening. The removalists are around, like they're down the driveway, moving things out, and it's going to be a bit of a, not so much of a hectic day for us because we've kind of done all of the stuff. This is my dad, Stephen. He does lots of tutorials here on YouTube as well. You have to check him out on our channel.
I've got new tattoos.
I know, look at Dad's poor arm.
Blood thinners.
Blood thinners, because he had a stroke a year ago, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyway, it's all happening. We're gonna have 2 trucks actually today because we've got so much stuff. So they've apparently almost fully done the house. Air conditioner is going to be removed tomorrow. Actually, we've got 3 of them that need to be removed. The other main part is, of course, workshop room over here. That's going to be probably another truck. Goodbye cleanup station. Let's have a look through here. Goodness gracious me. This is what the school looks like without most of the stuff in it. There's still a few odd bits and bobs that have been left. That's it. Oh my gosh. Here we are starting to move in. I don't know where stuff is supposed to go, but we'll figure it out. It's just one of those situations. We are just going to figure it out. This is it. The removalists have just finished. It took them 2 trucks twice. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at all of this. Oh my God, the amount of stuff. And this is just part of it here. And then we've got another room over here. And we've got to figure this out. I don't know where anything's really going. And then Dad's space is going to be in here. And then over here we've got more and more and more and more. Well, I'm trying to, terrible camera work. My God, look at this. So this is it. Welcome to your new art school. Before we wrap things up, I'm here in the old art school, sat on, oh, don't mind that. I've just dropped tomato sauce all down my front. That's not very good. Anyway, the last thing that we need to do here in the old art school is put a bunch of stuff in a skip so it's ready for collection. This is it. This is the final one. We're all moved. I'm not sure if we'll do more vlogs. You can let me know in the comments if you'd like more vlogs like this. And yeah, wow, this has been a huge move. We are both absolutely just smashed. We are so exhausted and very much looking forward to Christmas. By the time that you see this, Christmas has probably already been and gone, maybe even New Year's too. Yeah, things are just a bit delayed with these videos because we have been moving and I am exhausted. Anyway, we will see you in our next video, whatever that might be. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you all next time. Bye.